here when you are going to take, suppose this is the, I'll just tell about this simulator. Probably you would have used in your CAD, the 3D solid edge various tool. Okay, so this is a simulator. Okay, this simulator, what it will do, this is a FlexSim 2020 simulator. You can draw any 3D model and you can perform the 3D model. Here we are going to do 3D viewing, and you can take the values with respect to initial x and y, and you can perform the rotation, as well as we have different properties where first you have, if you take the new model, where you can just place with respect to the screen coordinates, and we have more properties with respect to this particular any model you are going to do. uh, in general, you can do the based on your viewing reference point, you can fix the position, rotation, as well as size, where you can do input, central, as well as output ports. Okay, and you can uh, take any 3D model. Suppose for example, even you can appear light also. Suppose for example, I have taken the new model, and suppose if you want to, with respect to x and y, if you want to uh, just you can minimize as well as maximize the value. Suppose this is your cube. Okay, in canonical volume, when you are going to take, this is your front plane, this is your back plane. Okay, in your front plane, when you consider the values with respect to your x and y and z, suppose here the x value says about 2.1, as well as y minus 9.5, as well as z values 0 with respect to z view plane. Okay, and if I set here, this is my coordinates, x window minimum, y window minimum, z near. When you consider this value, it is x window maximum, y window maximum, and z far. Okay, so by using this model, suppose if I want to rotate with respect to z axis 30, or I want to apply the translation with respect to x and y, or if I want to apply with all three perspective, and you can select the projections also, whether it is a parallel or perspective. All right, I will just take few values. And suppose the general things I'll tell you, then we'll see. See, suppose as we discussed in the lighting properties. Okay, where we have the point source of light is directional point as well as ambient. Okay, even that also you can apply on this particular object, and you can check it down. First, very basic is, you have to take any model. So file, you have to take a new model, where after you take a new model, where your screen will be viewed like this. Then after that, you can select any new selection. Okay, you can create and connect the objects by clicking R, or you can just select the particular view volume, and you can select the point. You can select with respective corners, or midpoints, or planar. Okay, so suppose if I select with the corners, where you can apply the values with respect to your x and y and z, where you can give the value over here, and you can change directly, or if you whatever changes you are doing, same will be viewed over here on your properties. Okay, and here, as I said, the more properties. Okay, where you can say trigger, where the modeling where you are going to compile, which will be done on state as well as off state, as well as your labels. You can add anything, okay, as well as in general you can see the 3D space, and by giving the values, as I said, when you are going to take the select point with respect to corner or midpoint or planar, so with respect to that you can change the values, rotation, okay. And apart from that, what you can do, you can take the different properties also. If you give apply with that, it will compile with the same value, okay. Suppose if I am going to take the light property in the screen area, where it will be like this, right? And even when I am going to take, suppose, point light, okay, and if I'm going to apply here, it is the point source, okay. So which will be viewed, you can check your light source also here. Suppose with respect to z axis, and you can check your coordinates, okay. And next, with respect to your light option, where I'm going to directional, if I'm going to do, so it is the directional. So you can see this light source operator, where this is ambient, and with respect to ambient, with respect to diffuse, with respect to your different light source, okay. And so directional light source will be like this, okay. So here, what I'm trying to say, if you take any model and you compute with respect to the given values x comma y comma z, and you rotate and applying this more properties, and you can add the third party tools also, and you can model using the tool, and you can convert to the Excel, where you can import the tables, where you can get those values, okay. Suppose you can take customized values also. What happened, if, as I said here, there are few values with respect to view reference point, world coordinate view, where x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and your z value equal to 54. If I take this value, if I give the Excel table with respect to your reference as well as plane normal coordinate as well as vector value, this I can import over here, okay. And same will be compiled, or else whatever I have done here, that I can export also, okay, with respect to the values, okay. And see, few tools are available, 3D simulator, and that you can try with these values. And one more thing I just want to tell about this parallel as well as perspective projection view. When you are going to take any model, suppose if I'm going to take the new model, okay, that is, and you can see the working mode, where with respect to the perspective projection